Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
Now, if you consider different meteorological subdivisions, Gujarat region depends maximum over the southeast monsoon rainfall, that is 96% of rainfall in southeast monsoon season contributes to annual rainfall. While Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, they receive maximum rainfall in post-monsoon season, October to December, that is 48% of annual rainfall, followed by 36% during southwest monsoon season. What we find actually, the northeastern states, especially Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, in the monsoon season as a whole, if you just look at, and also individual months, they are getting less rainfall normally during the period 1971 to 2020 as compared to during the period 1961 to 2010. At the same time, the west central India, especially Saurashtra Kutch, Rajasthan and West MP, this area is getting higher rainfall during 1971 to 2020 as compared to 1961 to 2010. As all of us know that El Nino or La Nina are the crucial factors which influences the Indian monsoon, and also the Indian Ocean dipole also matters. La Nina is usually associated with the higher rainfall, that is above normal rainfall or excess rainfall. So, if you just look at this condition, it is a La Nina, so therefore it is good. If you consider only La Nina condition, it is good for Indian monsoon.